valley, dust on the ground, a graveyard of echoes, no life to be found. The bones lay in silence, scattered and dry, a whisper of hope, but no breath in sight. Then I heard your voice like thunder break, calling the lifeless to awake. Your spirit moved, the winds obeyed, and death itself began to shake. The dry bones will rise again. Every dream that fell apart, every shattered, broken heart, you are speaking life again. Hope is rising from within. Then I heard your voice like thunder break, calling the lifeless to awake. Your spirit moved, the winds obeyed, and death itself began to shake. The dry bones will rise again, by your breath, by your hand. What was lost will live once more. You are the Lord, you restore. Come alive, come alive, let the dead awake and rise. By His word, by His name, chains are breaking, hope remains. The dry bones will rise again. By your breath, by your hand, you are the Lord, you restore. So I will stand and I will sing to the God who gives all things. You breathe life, you make us whole. The grave won't win, you have control.